What do you want me to say?
Whatever you want.
I'm wicked smart.
I gotta get my car. Do you like apples? Well, I got a number. How do you like them apples?
I don't know.
Chowder.
We're going down to the Harvard Yard.
Well, you gotta park your car in Harvard Yard.
Well, park the car and have a yard.
Welcome to Boston.
Making your way in the world today takes everything you've got. Taking a break from all your worries sure would help a lot. Wouldn't you like to get away? Sometimes you wanna go where everybody knows your name, and they're always glad you came. You wanna be where you can see our troubles are all the same. You wanna go where everybody knows your name.
This summit could go one of two ways. It could be the tamest summit ever, or it could be one of the wildest summits. Time will tell how that goes.
Welcome to Boston. This is the 10th Legacy Summit. Do you guys believe that? 10 Legacy Summits. We're going to be talking a lot about how to elevate your income, how to elevate how you show up and be your best for your loved ones, how you can, what your relationship looks like with others, maybe people that you don't know yet, or maybe people you never meet. And that's a lot of the giving muscle that we're going to be working on, so that way we can pay it forward, so that way we can elevate our impact too. Here in this group, doesn't matter where you come from, but that's what makes this group so incredibly unique. Because we all have these different experiences, these different things that we bring to the table, and there's no end in sight in terms of what we can do together.
Today, I spoke to Tim, and Tim said to me, he's like, man, I want to start this event with a foundation around health, not just physical health, but mental health as well. It's one thing to be successful with business and to work on growing your portfolio and creating financial freedom and all these types of things. But I also think that legacy comes back to like how you feel about yourself as well. And if you guys have any questions relating to your health, or you're struggling or you're stuck, you can always reach out to me as well. And you are not broken.
I think everybody goes through problems and issues, and I think that's just the joys of being an entrepreneur in business. So, I feel like if you are vulnerable and you talk to people and ask questions, like ultimately that's where you're going to get the help that you ultimately need.
There's a different feeling in this group than any other group that I've been in before. It really does feel like a family, and you learn so much and you can grow so fast. I think that's what brings me back.
I'll never forget my first event that I went to. I felt like a lost puppy. To have the opportunity to be in a room like this with people that are a lot more tenured, that have gotten a lot more reps than I have. I'm able to bounce ideas and ask questions from those folks. And then ever since I've joined that group, my confidence and my skill sets have just absolutely went through the roof, and a lot of it is just from joining the group and being a part of it.
Every single deal that I'm in now has been from someone that I've met here in Legacy. You tell people when they come to these events, what do they want to get out of it? They got to be intentional. If you just show up and kind of kick back and relax and just kind of like hang out in the end, you'll pick up some stuff. Sure, you're going to pick up people talking about good deals. It might motivate you, might spark interest. But if you come with the intention of networking, it's going to catch people's ears, and then they're going to want to work with you, and that's how you grow, and that's how businesses and relationships are made.
Are you working? What kind of work do you do?
My name is Paul Revere. I'm from Boston. I'm a blacksmith. My superpower is I'm pretty bomb at riding horses fast, right? And something I need help with is hanging lanterns in a tower, right? Like, that's all you gotta do. It's that simple.
Hello, everybody. Tristan Weiler, upstate New York. Not sure if I have a superpower, but I hate being up here.
we've been doing real estate for 20 years, so, and we've been together that long. So I'd say my superpower is patience.
I'm Don Zondervan, and I'm a Georgia Bulldog married to a Florida Gator, so I'm pretty proud to have brought in an education to our family.
I do a mean squirrel call. Grow up hunting in Ohio, that's what happens.
What a seriously impressive group of people we have here today.
Breaking news, sound the alarms. We have been removed from Fenway. We got Boston's finest out here helping us out. And 911 went down today, which I didn't even know that could happen in Massachusetts, which was weird. Hopefully everybody's all right. But yeah.
Tim Brothers is pulling out all the guns.
Yep. The budget's gone. Back to you in the studio.
I'm gonna tell you a story. I'm gonna tell you about my town. I'm gonna tell you a big fat story, baby. It's all about my town. Yeah, down by the river, down by the banks of the River Charles. That's what's happening, baby. That's where you'll find me.
I love teaching my kids that there is more in the world than what we see, just the normal. I want to teach them to be entrepreneurs and to think differently and to have a lifestyle of learning. So I was really excited that they were going to be able to come here and learn from other people that were leading.
And everybody in this room is actually here because they want to surround themselves with people who bring out the absolute best in them. It's always interesting when you think about the way that emotions play such a critical role in all the business transactions that we do and just the human interaction we get every day with different people. But you're going to be able to learn a lot of different things from a lot of different people just by sharing the experiences that you've gone through.
Hey, who evacuated the building last night? Anybody? But we want to get some energy in the room today, so I figured we'd rip the fire alarms and we'd run out of here in a panic.
Take a moment and stand up.
Just stand up. That's
Put
all you gotta
your hands
together. Man, you're so good at that. Paul,
Adam here.
let's talk about
Estate planning.
I wanna leave a legacy. How will they remember me? Did I choose to love?
The culture that you have built here, everybody's so down to earth, everybody is so eager to learn, everybody is so eager to help each other. You don't find culture like you guys have in this room, so I don't know what you've done to cultivate it, but oh my gosh, is it gold. It is absolutely gold. Never leave this group. Never leave this group because you guys got an amazing chemistry here within each other. Don't come home with a wallet full of money and a house full of strangers.
Legacy family, this concludes the Boston Legacy Summit. What an amazing town. I love Boston. I love the history of Boston. I love the vibe of Boston. We had great workouts in the mornings. We had great speakers, great workshops, incredible networking. I love the speed introductions. Get to see everybody up there. Instead of just meeting the people at your table, you get to meet everybody in the entire event and then go and find them after hours and really connect at a deeper level. So I'm super excited about what we accomplished here at this event, and I'm even more excited about where we're going. This next event is going to be very different than any other summit we have hosted. It's going to take the small mastermind vibe at the island retreats that we do and at the Mountain House retreats, the Legacy Lodge, the Legacy Island retreats that we host, and try to take this big event of 150, 200 people and bring it into that tightness and that type of connection more so than any other event we've ever hosted. And for this next event, we are heading out west. We are headed
to Hotel Terra at the base of the Tetons in Jackson Hole, Wyoming.